Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hey gardening spirit boosters, what do you guys think about these characters spinning around on their own personal garden? I like the little fence, the bird, the new frogs I have. What you guys think? I love them. Garden decorations, loving it. The frogs are really cute. I like birds, frogs, turtles. I got a turtle around here somewhere. But just slowly putting together some little pieces. I still have to situate the balcony to place gardens, decorations around. Takes time with me anyway. I know some of you guys are really quick at it. But these are some adorable frogs. Welcome. See the welcome sign? You see the frog couple? Aren't they cute? Look at the couple. They're a couple or they're friends, close friends. Look at the frog doing yoga down there. Look at the baby little frog, the bird. This is so freaking adorable. What do you guys think? You're gonna leave a comment? You're gonna subscribe? You're gonna wish me well? You're gonna give me a thumbs up? You're gonna invite me to your channel? You're gonna be a happy gardener today? Share some gardening care tips, plant information care tips. All is welcome. Invite me to your channel. Subscribe. Tell your friends. We are a gardening community that loves to help each other out. Very supportive. The subscribers in this gardening community are very supportive. Regularly supporting the channel, back and forth. That's what it is. If you got the time. I know we have other things to do, family, jobs, business. Can't always be here. But when you do come through, you come a-blasting with the best gardening tips, gardening decorations, beautiful plants, beautiful gardens, information sharing, supportive when you do have the time. Thank you guys. Just wanted to come through, Miss Janita, and share with you my new little gardening characters. Let me know what you guys think about them. Do you have any frogs you want to share? Turtles, or whatever kind of art you have. My plant is getting bigger. I don't know if this is a prayer plant. It's getting pretty big. This one is getting a new leaf. You can see it with the welcome sign. But okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for coming through. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys in another upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time and support.